Research methodology refers to the systematic approach used to conduct research and gather information in a structured and organized manner. Here is a simplified research methodology for beginners. Identify the research topic. Choose a topic that interests you and aligns with your research objectives. Clearly define your research question or problem statement. Conduct a literature review. Read existing research and literature related to your topic. This helps you understand the current knowledge, identify gaps, and build a theoretical framework for your study. Define research objectives. Clearly outline what you aim to achieve through your research. Your objectives should be specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART. Determine the research design. Select an appropriate research design based on your objectives. Common research designs include experimental, correlational, descriptive, and qualitative designs. The design should match your research question and the data you plan to collect. Choose the participant/sample. Determine the target population or sample for your study. Decide on the sampling technique, random, stratified, convenience, etc., and sample size. Ensure that your sample represents the population you want to generalize your findings to. Data collection. Select the methods and tools to collect data. Depending on your research design, you may use surveys, interviews, observations, experiments, or existing datasets. Ensure that your data collection methods are reliable and valid. Analyze the data. Apply appropriate statistical or qualitative analysis techniques to your data. Use software tools like SPSS, Excel, or qualitative analysis software to analyze your data and derive meaningful insights. Interpret the results. Interpret the findings from your data analysis. Relate the results back to your research objectives and the existing literature. Identify patterns, trends, relationships, or significant findings. Draw conclusions. Summarize your findings and draw conclusions based on your research objectives. Discuss the implications of your results and their significance in addressing your research question. Communicate the results. Prepare a research report or paper presenting your research methodology, findings, and conclusions. Use appropriate formats, such as APA or MLA, for citations and references. Consider presenting your work at conferences or publishing it in relevant journals. Remember, this is a simplified overview of the research methodology. The actual process may vary depending on the nature of your research, field of study, and specific requirements. It's always a good idea to seek guidance from your academic institution or supervisor to ensure you follow the appropriate methodology for your research project.